Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the WPS button on Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router in 2026. Now, WPS is going to let you connect the devices to Wi-Fi without typing the password. You just have to press a button and you are connected. So without further delay, let's get straight into how you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to find the WPS button on your Spectrum router. It is usually on the back or the side, and it may say WPS or show two arrows forming a circle. So here, when you are able to find it, you just have to simply turn it on. So turn on the device that you want to connect. It can be a printer, or it can be a smart TV, or it can be the extended, and it can open its Wi-Fi settings. After that, you need to look for the option that says connected with WPS or WPS button setup. So when you press the WPS button on your Spectrum router, you need to hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds until the router light starts blinking. This means that WPS pairing is active. Within about let's say 1 minute, your device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once the router light becomes solid again, the connection is complete, and for this particular purpose, no password is needed. Now, if it doesn't connect, you can try pressing the WPS button again and repeat the steps. Just make sure that you are close to the router for best results. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.